off the chestnuts already. They look great. Yeah, it's a good day. So we're here raking up chestnuts.
So yeah, we're cleaning all this area, all the leaves and chestnuts, putting them in the boxes.
Because they're acidic, aren't they? So we have to clean up all the leaves, or else it's bad for the soil.
Yeah.
So we've been making piles, we've been using our rakes, and then we've been putting all the chestnuts into this box. And yeah, it's so nice though today. Such a lovely day. And then very nice.
Hello. Today is Wednesday and yeah, we're working here. We're mixing the soil so we can grow some fruits next year.
It looks great.
Yeah, and that's hard work, but I think it's...
You enjoying yourself?
I enjoy myself.
Yeah, good.
I do 2 meters per hour.
Wow.
That's my value.
Nice. Okay. And Sarah, you're doing the same, are you?
Yes, we're planning to put this whole patch for raspberries.
Wow, this is quite picturesque. And we have Zuzia, the owner of the property.
I'm the leader of the association that owns the property, and I'm just very pleased to have so many happy friends.
Great.
The sun is out for us today.
Yeah, so we couldn't be happier. Oh yeah. And so do you guys want to introduce yourselves?
I'm Renata. I'm 23 years old.
Oh.
I'm from
Norfolk. And yourself, Nadia?
Nadia, I'm 23.
She'll be 24 though tomorrow. And she is from
London?
London.
Do you like the London squad?
That was nice, thank you. This is a gorgeous day.
Hi, my name is Sarah. I'm from Ireland and I'm 25.
Hi, I'm Ash and I'm 23 and also from Ireland.
I'm Nico, I'm 48 and I'm a farmer.
Hi, my name is Pizza. I'm from Spain and I'm a farmer.
Hi, Nisha. I'm from Slovenia.
Well, I put my fork into the shit and then...
Don't put it here! You have to fix this. I'm a fixer, but I already failed to open the plastic bag. Okay, accidentally, the wheelbarrow is broken, so I have to fix it today. So my job is to fix the wheelbarrow, and then later I will help with the shit.
Okay. And Sarah, what are you doing?
I am transporting this manure to the wheelbarrow so it can be placed on top of the soil for the currants that we're about to plant.
Lovely.
Currants need a meter space between the bushes, so we're gonna choose Dania's measuring tool. Do you want to bring your measuring tool you made? Yeah, bring it here. We're gonna use it today. So we could start half a meter from the side, dig our first hole, and then measure 1 meter. And then when we come to the second row, that has to be 2 meters away from it, so you have space to walk between your rows and pick the fruits that will be many. And yeah, so we can just start with the first. I would like you to dig as deep of a hole you can. Try the new.
Hello, Mrs. Fleming. We're digging.
Do you want to introduce yourself?
What's your name?
Nice. Wow!